Okay, so subtraction, so this is taking away numbers. So let's say we have 647, what is a big 7? Take away 123. Okay, now we're always taking the bottom number from the top. So 7 take away 3 will give us 4. 4 take away 2 will give us 2. And 6 take away 1 will give us 5. Okay, and we always start from the right hand side and we work across. Now we can check this. If I add this number to this number, it should give me this number. So 4 plus 3 gives me 7, 2 plus 2 gives me 4, 5 plus 1 gives me 6. So we can see that it's quite easy, and just take your time. So let's say we've got 241, and we're going to take away 124. Okay, so again we're taking the bottom number away from the top. Now 1 take away 4, we can't do that. Okay, people want to take 1 from 4 and get 3, but we can't do this. It's 4, it's 1 take away 4. So what we do is we borrow 1 from the next number. Okay, so the 4 now, because we borrowed 1, becomes 3. And because we borrowed 1, this now becomes 11. Now we can do this. So 11 take away 4 is 7. 3 take away 2 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So we get 117. So remember, if we can't take the bottom number away from the top, then we borrow 1 from the next number. Okay. Now, where people have problems is, for example, let's say we've got 200 and we're going to take away 16. Okay, now we can't take 6 from 0, and we don't have a number to borrow from the next number, so we have to borrow from the next number. Okay, so we do this step by step. So firstly, I have to make this number a whole number. So I borrow from here. So 2 take away 1 is 1. And this now becomes 10. So now I can borrow from here. So if I borrow from 10, this leaves me 9. And I've now got 10 here. So I hope you understand that. So we borrow from the furthest number and we pay it onto this number, and then we can borrow. So 6 from 10 is 4, 1 from 9 is 8, nothing from 1 is 1. Okay, so if I just do this again, so let's say we've got 500 take away 27. Okay, now we can't take 7 from 0 and we can't borrow, so we borrow from the next number. So this will go down to 4, and this number gets paid over. So we've borrowed 1 from the 5 and taken it over to the next number. So now, instead of being 0, this is 10. So now I can borrow from here, and this becomes 9. What's actually happening is we're borrowing 10 from 500. Okay, so we'd have 490 plus this 10, which would be 500. So 7 from 10 is 3, 2 from 9 is 7, nothing take away 4 is 4. And as I say, we can check this because 7 and 3 is 10, so we carry 1. 7 and 2 is 9, plus the 1 we carried is 10, and then 4 plus the 1 we carry is 500. Okay, now I'm hoping that I've explained this okay, but remember, we borrow from the furthest number, pay it on to the next number, and then we can borrow again. Okay, so it's just practice, so give it a go. I'm sure you'll be fine, and if you've got any problems, just let us know.